And you're not working now?
I've been guilty by instant her.
Yeah, I think it was well, just want the person to know that
And I will always be there for her. And I just want you to know that, like, there's no ill.
Lawyer, but these tears are just weakening me. You guys spend my $25 gift card.
Judges hand down sentences every single day. Fines, probation, jail time, and community service are all part of the routine. But today in Michigan's 34th District Court, Judge Brian Oakley is dealing with a domestic violence case between two best friends and roommates. And the sentence he comes up with is not the kind of thing you are going to find in any law book. The victim does not come to court demanding justice. Instead, she shows up defending the woman who put her hands on her, and Judge Oakley decides that what these two need has nothing to do with jail time.
All right, I understand we've got a plea worked out.
That is correct from the date time for bench trial, depending when
Ms. Lagarde, go ahead and have a seat.
we did reach a resolution. My understanding of the plea is my client would be pleading guilty to the original count of domestic violence that would be deferred under 769-4A with a 6-month probationary term. And then the people did agree at the end of that probationary term that my client's firearm that was taken as part of her arrest would be returned.
Your Honor, the application of legal counsel is correct and accurate. Judge, we know that you make the call on sentencing. We're hoping to hear that you'll sentence immediately. We have our veteran here.
Okay.
Secondly, Judge, turns out sentencing. At least the first meeting with probation, the first month you're reporting, and then probation into a determine whether she needs a shift.
Okay. Ms. Belcher, you okay with an immediate sentencing, or do you think we need to do a PSI?
Guilty with immediate sentencing, and that would allow her to have that deferral enter faster so that she could obtain employment.
Okay. All right. You understand your rights and options. You understand the possible penalty for the charge. And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Ms. Belcher, would you voir dire to get me my facts? November 25 is the offense date.
November 25th, 2025, for you at work near a location of 38590 Abilene, A-B-I-L-E and E Street in the city of Romulus, County, Wayne.
Yes.
Ma'am, and is it true at that location that you would resided with an individual by the name of Leah, last name McKay?
Yes.
Okay, and you guys were roommates?
Yes.
And is it true, ma'am, that on that day that you guys got into a verbal altercation?
Yes.
And at some point during that verbal altercation, is it true that you put your hands on Miss McKay without her permission?
Yes.
That's so.
Just satisfied.
And it could have been communicated a little bit better, but we don't have to be here. If boundaries were crossed that didn't need to be crossed, I'm heartbroken right now talking to you. I don't want to ruin her life. I don't want her to have to deal with this for the rest of her. She has 2 children that I look at like my nieces. I love Miss Lagarde. I hate that we here. So please, like, I don't want you to be super hard on it. Like, and that's just me as a friend and sister. Don't. I want to see her win. I want to see her do good in life. I don't want to see her down bad or in a bad position. We always been there for each other. I'm talking about drop of a call, and I will always be there for her. And I just want you to know that, like, there's no ill.
No, I appreciate it.
No ill will towards her. I could have made a bad decision that night too. I chose not to, and that's why we're here. Like, I love you, bro. At the end of the day, that's what I have to say.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Your Honor, Ms. Lagarde was arrested and charged with that has been pending on her record for quite some time. As the court may recall, I'm not the original attorney.
Yeah.
We did counsel for whatever reason with the original attorney. We did have delays with the trial date that were reported to me, and I certainly one we attributed to the people because we converted the trial date to a final pre-trial. Ms. Lagarde did accept responsibility for her actions. As you've heard, these 2 individuals were best friends. However, because of the amount of time that this case has been pending, Ms. Lagarde has lost her job. She has not been able to get employment.
Where was she working?
I was for evolution. I was a game present for like FanDuel. So
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
As you've heard, she has 2 small children that she's responsible for. She's now 3 months behind on her rent. She's in a very bad spot financially. We would ask that Your Honor take that into consideration. She did accept responsibility in this matter for her actions. This was something that probably escalated, that should have never escalated on both sides. And if they work this out in the future going forward, hopefully they never have this issue again. What I would like to see happen is that the court could waive any of the fines and costs so that Ms. Lagarde doesn't fall any further.
I'm shocked, I say.
You know me too well, Judge.
Go ahead.
But as the people had indicated, they wanted Ms. Lagarde to report for at least one of those probationary visits. She has not had any bond violations. She has no criminal history. I don't know how much supervision she really needs, Your Honor, but she's willing to comply and not break any laws.
Right.
But I would ask after that first visit, if there's no issues, that you convert it to non-reporting probation.
Where you living?
If I may.
Yeah, that's all right.
Her address on the advice rights fund. She does have a separate address, just due to the relationship between the two right now. If it's okay, you can tell the court off the record.
Geographically. I don't need an address. Okay, all right. And you're not working now?
I've been guilty by it to her.
Okay, so the tangent alert, okay, this got nothing to do with sentencing. Before you get out of my building, go down and talk to Avery Taylor, and if he's at lunch, get a card so you can call him and ask him about jobs in the area.
We're gonna have that to.
You got one right in front of you. All right, is there anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Leah, it was, well, I just want the court to know that I'm truly sorry for this time. I'm so embarrassed. My two little girls mean everything to me. The only thing I feel like I'm really lacking is I can't pay these bills. Like, I can't catch up since this. I am taking them to Florida on Thursday. We'll be gone for 4 days. We deserve to laugh. So I just want to say thank you for your time.
Okay. Miss McKay, she's under my thumb. I can make her do some things. I want you to do some things. You guys willing to go to a couple sessions of counseling together?
It's supposed to be on, we can sit down and have a conversation.
Does she need anger management? All right, here's what I'm going to sentence you to do then. Miss McKay, come on up here. Get her, Joe. Come on, all the way. Okay. You guys spend my $25 gift card, spread it out over as much time as you can, and have some sessions, just you two girls. Find somebody for the kids, okay? You're gonna, what's that? Say, I didn't hear you.
Sorry, I need someone there, like, immediately.
You okay with that? Who's it gonna be?
Whoever, I don't
Who you want? Who's gonna have the kids?
Somebody's acting.
Okay, yeah, you got daycare. Okay, all right. So the three of you women are gonna, and like I said, I don't want you to go blow my $25 all at once.
I'll give her the card.
All right, but you guys, and you're gonna give me a report. We met on this day, we spoke for this long, you don't have to give me details. And when we met on this day, I want you to give me a report. You're court ordered to do that. She's gonna be raise your right hand. You swear affirm to be a temporary probation officer for the 34th District Court?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. She's my probation officer. She's gonna keep you on track on this, okay? Can we do this? If you're gonna come back too, we're gonna actually sentence you to come back for a 6-month review. You'll set it up. Ms. Belch will set it up. And the two of you can bring mom too. Love to meet mom. The two of you are going to stand in front of me at the end of 6 months and you're going to give me a report on what the relationship is. And then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to dismiss this. All right. So I want to see a real strong effort from both of you to put this as far behind you as the East is from the West. Then it won't have to affect her life because we'll dismiss it at the end of 6 months. You can buy her the t-shirt that says been there, done that, and it's done. Okay. We good?
We're good.
I was going to order 4 days on the work program for you, but these tears have just weakened me. I'm getting ready to noodle down.
You don't deserve that. Look
Okay.
at her.
Okay.
Be on the side of no road.
You good?
We're good.
You made my day. This is what grace looks like. You're welcome. Go away before I start crying.
Save this to middle contact because we just left it.
I think we probably should. All right. Enjoy my exorbitant gift card. Good day, all. Oh, for the record, no costs. I'm looking forward to that report, Ms. Belcher.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.